Surah Aal-e-Imran isn't just another chapter of the Quran, it's a profound message of faith, resilience, and unity. Revealed in Medina, it continues the guidance of Surah Al-Baqarah, teaching us to stay firm in our beliefs and remain united in the face of challenges. Let's explore its wisdom. Surah Aal-e-Imran, named after the family of Imran, is the third chapter of the Quran, with 200 verses. It was revealed during pivotal moments in early Islamic history, including the aftermath of the Battle of Uhud. This surah provides spiritual and practical guidance to strengthen the faith of believers, encourages dialogue with people of the book, and emphasizes unity among Muslims. Key themes and lessons in Surah Aal-e-Imran. 1. Faith and trust in Allah, verses 1 to 32. The surah begins by affirming the Quran as a continuation of previous scriptures. Key verse: there is no deity except Allah, the ever-living, the sustainer of all existence. 3:2. Believers are reminded to trust in Allah's wisdom, even when His plans are beyond their understanding. Lesson: faith in Allah requires absolute trust and submission, especially in difficult times. 2. The family of Imran and the story of Maryam, verses 33 to 63. The surah highlights the purity and devotion of the family of Imran, including Maryam, Mary, and her miraculous role as the mother of Isa, Jesus. Allah emphasizes Isa's human nature and clarifies misconceptions surrounding his divinity. Lesson: the story reminds us of the importance of sincerity, devotion, and reliance on Allah, as shown by Maryam's unwavering faith. 3. Unity and brotherhood, verses 64 to 120. Muslims are called to unite under the banner of Tawheed, oneness of Allah. Key verse: hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together and do not become divided. This surah addresses the importance of building a strong, united Muslim community. Lesson: division weakens the ummah, while unity strengthens it against external and internal challenges. 4. Lessons from the Battle of Uhud, verses 121 to 180. The Battle of Uhud is recounted, emphasizing the consequences of disobedience and lack of discipline. Believers are reminded to remain steadfast, even in the face of setbacks. Key verse: do not lose heart or despair. You will be victorious if you are true believers. Lesson: success lies in trust, discipline, and perseverance, even during trials. 5. Dialogue with people of the book, verses 181-200. The surah calls for respectful dialogue with Christians and Jews, inviting them to worship Allah alone. Key verse: say, O people of the book, let us come to a common word between us, that we will worship none but Allah. Lesson: Islam promotes peace and understanding, but remains firm in its principles. Major takeaways from Surah Aal-e-Imran. Faith: complete trust in Allah's wisdom and plan, even when faced with challenges. Unity: strength lies in togetherness. Muslims must avoid division. Resilience: trials like the Battle of Uhud teach us to learn from mistakes and remain steadfast. Interfaith dialogue: Islam encourages respectful discussions with others while upholding its beliefs. Surah Aal-e-Imran is a timeless message of steadfast faith, unity, and resilience. It reminds us to trust Allah, stay united, and uphold our responsibilities as Muslims. Want more Quranic insights? Follow us and share this video to spread the wisdom of the Quran.